Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss 7 easy ways freelance graphic designer can make money online. If you are a graphic designer or want to be one, you should know that there is some more than one way to make money online. In this video, I will give you a few suggestions on how to earn money doing what you love. I really enjoy designing things and creating graphics, but after a few months, I left the job because I did not feel happy working at that agency. I'm sharing these tips and ideas so you do not have to go down the same hard road as I have. So check out all the ideas below and get to work. Number 1. Offer a service. Let's get the most obvious method out of the way. Yes, freelancing is the best way to make money online or even offline as a graphic designer. You have to work much harder to improve your skills, practice and make a name for yourself. The second method is sell graphic templates. One of the best and fastest way to make money as a designer is to sell graphic templates. There is a big demand for templates like logo templates, brochure designs, PowerPoint templates, and flyer templates. The third method is sell t-shirts. Selling custom t-shirts is another great way you can earn a few bucks. You can either set up a shop of your own using Shopify to sell your custom print t-shirts. The fourth method is take a course. Teach a course. Hand over to Udemy and check out how many sales courses on graphic designers have generated over time. But instead of repeating the same courses that have been covered hundreds of times, try to find a unique topic to create a course that targets a niche. It is a surefire way to find success. The fifth method is design Twitch emotes. As I have mentioned in the first chapter of this guide, demand to Twitch related graphics is very high these days. They often turn to graphic designers to design their customer Twitch emotes, Twitch banners and covers. The sixth method is design social media content. If you are on Instagram or Facebook, you will notice that brands and businesses often use their own stylish designs for creating posts. Smaller businesses often use pre-made templates to create their posts and Instagram stories. The seventh method is start a blog or YouTube channel. You can also start your own blog or YouTube channel to make money from it. I'm not talking about a blog where you share your daily thoughts. I'm talking about a site that generates money. You can join such an affiliate program and promote the designs and templates from the marketplace on your blog or YouTube channel. This is how most websites make money. Now the question is how to get started. The method I have discussed in this guide involves a professional level of graphic design skills. So how exactly do you get started and become a professional? Do not spam or beg. Rule number 1. Do not spam. Graphic designers get a bad reputation for spamming people. This is not a good way to find work and it will make you look unprofessional. Improve your skills. I can't stress enough how important it is to hone your skills. Make importantly, do not forget to practice your craft every day. That is what makes you a better designer. Pick a niche. As I have mentioned earlier, you should focus on a niche to find a specific target audience and promote your service better. Set up a portfolio. A great looking portfolio is a must-have for all types of designers. If you can find affordable web portal hosting, set up a person. Network with others. Last but not least, be sure to network with other designers. Join a few communities and you will be able to learn a lot from other designers too. Now I come to the conclusion. Remember that these are only suggestions. It is up to you to put your creativity to work and find ways to create unique things that attract clients. Put your heart into everything you create and eventually you will be a successful graphic designer. Who knows, you may even end up working for a big company like Adobe. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye guys.